How are you all? As you know that in the previous session we have studied about the definition of statistics and meaning of statistics, and you have been told about importance of statistics and limitations of statistics. So dear students, in the present session we will know about the chapter number 2, that is collection of data. So first of all, you have been told about the meaning of data. Data means the information regarding any subject. So data means quantitative information. So we should know the sources of data. So there are two types of sources of data, that is primary sources of data and secondary sources of data. Now I will tell you about the meaning of primary sources of data. So primary sources of data are those sources in which the information is collected from the source of origin. It means the information is collected from where the information is related. So in the primary sources of data we get first hand information, and this information is more reliable than secondary data. And secondary sources of data are those sources in which the information is collected by some agency or some institution which was available in advance. So the information is taken by us from that sources of data or secondary sources of data. So in the secondary sources of data there is the information which was collected by some other agency according to their objective of study. So in the secondary sources of data we get secondary information. Now we will know about primary data and secondary data. So dear students, primary data are more reliable and secondary data are less reliable. When we need original information, or when we need high degree of accuracy, or when we need extensive information regarding anything, so we require primary information. It means we use primary sources of data. In the collection of primary and secondary sources of data, when we compare, so in the collection of primary sources of data we need more time, more cost, and the investigator will go to the source of information and personally he will collect entire information, whatever the objective is. So he or she will collect the information according to the study. And in the secondary sources of data or secondary data there is a less time consuming process, and the cost of collection of data is less as compared to primary data. So dear students, you should know the primary source of data and secondary sources of data. So in your examination it may be asked that differentiate between primary sources of data and secondary sources of data. So there is some difference in originality. The primary data are more original than secondary data. So we can say that the distinction between primary and secondary data is that the primary data are more reliable than secondary data. So all the time we should keep in mind that if we need high degree of accuracy, then we will use primary source of data.